Ryu.
And I'm Mercedes Yerngausen.
And welcome to Energy Today. Today's topic is energy sources in the United States. The largest energy source is petroleum at 36%. The use of renewable energy is 9% of energy use. The United States uses 49% of renewable energy through biomass, and the use of nuclear electric power is the lowest at 8%.
Nuclear energy comes from the radioactive materials released during nuclear fission. Nuclear energy provides 7% of the energy for the U.S. The process in which nuclear energy is made is the nuclear fuel cycle. The first step in this process is the underground mining, which involves blasting hard rock ore, which are known as stopes. All the mined material is then brought to the surface. We then go to the conversion process, which is where uranium-235 goes through a process called fission. Since uranium ore only contains 0.7% of its isotope U-235, this process increases the concentration of about 3.5%. The next step is fuel fabrication, which is the final stage in nuclear fuel preparation prior to use in a reactor. The uranium used ore is put to electricity. All of this eventually becomes waste disposal and is later stored in waste storage. Nuclear energy is not a good long-term energy solution. This is all due to the fact that radioactive wastes are a major environmental concern of nuclear power. Most nuclear wastes, such as ordinary trash, have been contaminated with small amounts of radioactive dust. These materials are regulated in a special area so that it will not come in contact with the outside environment. An example would be the Yucca Mountain in Nevada. It is known as the nation's first repository for nuclear waste.
And now we have one of our reporters interviewing Damon Ryu, president of the Renewable Energy Department. Now to you, Shavindia.
Hi, I'm Shavindia, and we're here with Dr. Ryu. So what is your opinion on renewable energy sources?
I always say that renewable energy is future of America. We need a new source. Our sources are running out. Renewable energy.
And what are some examples?
The biggest ones are solar and wind energy. They already take up 70% of our energy use.
And how do they work?
Solar panels are used to collect the solar energy. For wind energy, we use the turbines, and then wind turns the turbine.
And here's the most important question. Are there any disadvantages?
Oh, yes. Well, it is known that they're non-polluting. They're really good for the environment. However, solar energy and the wind energies, they take up a lot of space. And sometimes they make some pollutions, like noise pollution. And then solar panels are really unattractive. Wind power sometimes kills the birds.
Thank you for your time, Dr. Ryu.
Thank you.
Fossil fuels make up a large portion, about 90% of America's energy usage. However, fossil fuels are non-renewable and will eventually run out. To combat this problem, great minds around the world have started to devise new alternative ways to harvest energy.
And here's Corey Ferguson to tell us more about alternative energy sources. Now to you, Corey.